You want to know what to do when you need money? This video educates you on the actions to consider when you think that you don't have money. One of the worst emotions you can encounter is being without money. But you're not by yourself. Debt in the United States is up to $6,000 and it's difficult to pay it off. What should you do when you need money if you are heavily in debt? Need to get out of it and want some breathing room. Thankfully, if you do your homework and prepare ahead, you can make money anytime, anywhere. Uncertain about where to begin, you should give these ideas a try. Number 1, obtain freelance work. Look up some freelance work on Upwork, freelancer.com, or register on Fiverr if you have a laptop or iPad. Online employment options range from tutoring to working as a virtual assistant. It's an excellent choice for what to do when you need money because you can manage the workload and timetable. Freelance work can be done on a part-time or full-time basis. If you lack experience or a degree, it may be challenging to obtain some positions. But if you have a job, you will receive a regular salary and enjoy the convenience of working from home. Number 2, sell items you don't need. You may have to sell items online that you don't need, such as outdated clothing or phones. Since many people are interested in buying used furniture and appliances, you may think about selling them. Sell your automobile or a portion of your property if you need the cash, because these are transient assets that are better off being liquidated. Number 3, carry out odd jobs. Ask people in the community if they need assistance with a task they detest. People are quick to seize the opportunity, especially those who are busy or lack the skills to complete specific tasks. You can offer your talents for odd chores like painting, mowing the lawn, and walking your dog. Taking odd jobs has the benefit of never taking too long and being a wonderful way to build your network, though it is difficult to begin budgeting because there is no consistent paycheck. Keep this in mind. To let folks know you are available, drop off letters throughout your neighborhood, or run internet ads. Number 4, sell or pawn your items of value. Giving a valuable object as security for a loan or funds is known as pawning. When you return the money and pay the pawnbroker, your belongings will be returned. This alternative could bring in some money for you, but bear in mind that if you can't pay the money back, your assets will be auctioned. You might also simply pawn your goods off. You have no additional responsibilities after living with the money in your pocket. Tablets, power tools, gemstones, guns, and antiques are some of the greatest products to sell or pawn. Number 5, obtain credit. If previous solutions haven't worked for you, this ought to be your final resort. If you need money for an emergency right away, loans are fantastic, but be sure you have a strategy for making timely repayments. Whether you take out a personal loan or a payday loan or a home equity loan depends on what kind of loan it is. When you just need money now and have the means to make ends meet, loans are your best bet. In conclusion, consider carefully how you got into this predicament, such as via excessive spending or a low salary. To fix and avoid the issue is critical to confront it in earnest. Commence planning and create a budget to help you solve the root cause of the problem. That is all I have for you today. I will see you in the next one.